What's up, Walter here. So I've been noticing this trend lately on YouTube where people basically do these sort of drop shipping challenges where they wipe the slate clean and they start from scratch. And the whole idea is that they need to build a profitable drop shipping store in just a couple of days. And I've got to be honest with you, I'm not really into those kinds of risky, time crunch stunts. I usually like to play it smart and build long-term systems, stores that can profit you in the long term, as opposed to stressing myself out for some kind of video. But hey, it's YouTube. I've got a channel. So I kind of knew that I had to do something like that at some point. So here we are. I gave myself 72 hours to build a brand new drop shipping store. I launched a single product pack, turned on ads, and then I just watched the results. There were no hacks, no gimmicks, just tools that I already trust and use. And the results? I pulled in $13,623 in pure profit from just one sale. So let me break it down for you. Now, instead of scrolling through products or chasing trends, I added just one product pack to my store. The Ultimate Luxury Collection is a curated catalog of 1,000 high fashion brand name items. Think Balenciaga, Dior, Prada, Gucci, all turnkey, all time tested. I didn't need to guess what sells. I went straight for what people already want. Status, brand, recognition, and exclusivity. And that turned out to be the smartest move of the whole challenge. Because the product that sold the most was one that I didn't even expect. It was the Balenciaga pink alligator skin shopper tote. This thing is pure luxury. It's made from 100% alligator skin, handcrafted in Italy, with a rare rose pink finish. It's spacious, elegant, and comes with top handles and an adjustable strap. No big logos, just that quiet flex that people love. And I made $13,623 in profit from that one single order. Right after adding the product pack, I launched ads. I didn't actually do any of the work myself. The real work was handled by the Sellvia team. I was kind of under the impression that it would take a long time for me to see any results. I'll be real with you. I did not expect Sellvia ads to start delivering insane return on investment the very next day. Here's how I did it. I set myself a budget of $60 total. Then I set up my daily spend, which was $20 per day over the course of 3 days. I got ads placed on all the top 5 platforms: TikTok, Google, Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon. No manual ad design, no editing, no writing headlines. The system did it all automatically. It used real data from real consumer behavior and adjusted what was shown and where. I didn't even need to pick which product to promote. The algorithm decided what to push based on real-time engagement. No ad agencies, no headaches, just real advertising launched in minutes. I boosted my online presence with Sellvia's social media marketing tool. Once the ads were running, I moved on to the social media marketing tool, another one of Sellvia's top features that helped me set up my online presence properly. I knew that no one was going to spend big money on a store with no brand trust or visibility, so I used the social media marketing tool to create branded social media pages. Get ready to post content with professional photos and captions. Fun fact, I knew nobody cared what I would have posted, so I posted a bit of this and that just to show visitors my shop is alive and booming. That was also how I built out my store's Google presence and boosted credibility. And honestly, it made the whole thing look serious. It made it look legitimate, like an actual fashion boutique, not just another pop-up dropshipping site. I let the system do the work. Once the store was loaded, ads were active, and the social media presence was in place, I stepped back and I just kicked back and took it easy. I didn't babysit the dashboard. I didn't check stats every hour. I let the Sellvia team and tools run the challenge for me. And then 48 hours in, the sales started rolling in. That Balenciaga tote went to a customer who didn't need any convincing. They saw the ad, landed on the store, saw a clean layout, trusted the brand, and hit buy. The order cleared, and listen, I made $13,623 profit just like that. That is insane. So what did this 72-hour challenge prove to me? Simple. Luxury sells itself. You don't need to over-explain Dior, Balenciaga. Everybody gets it. You don't need 100 sales a week. You need one high-ticket buyer. And if you've got a system that's automated, data-driven, and built around demand, you don't need to do any heavy lifting. It's not about hype, it's about positioning. If you've been stuck trying to sell the same viral gadgets as everyone else, here's our sign to make the pivot. High-ticket and luxury brand dropshipping is real. It's real money. It's luxury e-commerce and it works. And yes, you can start with one store, one product pack, and only 2 tools, or even less if you want, and it will work. Check the links in my description. Ultimate Luxury Collection, 1,000 branded fashion items. Sellvia Ads, it's multi-platform ads on autopilot. Sellvia's social media marketing tool, it gives you big social presence, plus it establishes your reputation. That's all I use, and I'm telling you, it works. So that's the full breakdown. 72 hours, one product, one tool set, one massive sale for over $13,000. Let me know what challenge I should take on next. And if this gave you some real clarity, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.